Yo, what's up, guys? This is MT Unboxing, and I got the Dragon Ball Z, the Battle of Gods movie. Just came today, right now. What's the time? It's 2:48. This is how it is. And then just open the bubble wrap. I was waiting for this fucking night for 4 fucking weeks. I think I probably need a knife, but obviously I'm a true boss, so I don't really need a bloody knife. Okay. Salad tapes all over the bloody case. Okay. So tight. Oh my god. Fucking beast. I didn't get the collector's edition ones. I just got the normal one. This is how it is. 2013 Dragon Ball Z Battle of Gods. Oh my god. So thanks for watching, rate, comment, subscribe. And this is English subtitles, Japanese subtitles, and also some other subtitles I forgot. So yeah, it says it there. It has the focus. Japanese version, but the subtitles are Chinese, English, and Malayan subtitles. No, Malaysia, I mean not Malaria. Malaysia subtitles. So yeah, thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe, and bye.